guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing a burnt gingerbread man cutout kind of thing in my cheek. I tried to do this look a couple weeks ago with a really big gingerbread man and didn't work. It kind of just looked like a blob. So I scrapped the video. It took me like 2 hours too. Pissed. So I scrapped the video and I went out and I got these little ones instead. So I have a gingerbread man, I have a star, and I have a little angel, but I'm going to use the gingerbread man. So I think I'm just going to make him either here on my cheek or here on my cheek, and it's going to be fun. So I didn't film today's video, like this look that I'm wearing right now, because it's really just a simple brown eye look. I have many of them up on my channel, so if you're interested in a brown eye look, I'll link one right here. I use the Melt Cosmetics palette, the Gemini palette, so if you've never heard of that, I will also link the video up above for what I use. And then what I have on my lips right now is Friends by ColourPop, and in the center for an ombre effect I have Daddy by Jeffree Star. So it's just a very simple look, nothing crazy, just my everyday makeup look. So I decided to go with brown because I wanted to stick with the gingerbread theme of them being brown, because, well, I mean, like, you could dye them, but I went with brown because cookies are usually brown. So I think I'm gonna put him here and have him burnt, and then I might do another one on this side with the gingerbread man stuck inside and then have him like all bloody around it. I don't know. So I'm gonna be using liquid latex to do this. So this is the liquid latex by Ben Nye. I also have the Master Brew Circle, which is also by Ben Nye, and then I have all of my blood, which is Scab Blood, which is by Ben Nye, and then I have Stage Blood, which is by Ben Nye, and then I have Spirit Gum, which is by Graftopian, and I also have just like stipple sponges like this that are just sponges, and then I have my little spatula that I use in a little bowl for mixing. So I'm gonna start off by putting the burnt side on this side. So I'm gonna be using liquid latex and toilet paper. So I'm going to trace him out on this side of my face, and then I will build up the latex around him. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and we can get started. All right, so what I'm gonna be doing is I am gonna be taking a kind of brownish like eyeliner like this. If you have a nude one, that would work too, or you can use black as well. You can use whatever you want, or you can use red, because we're going to be coloring it in red anyway. And now I'm just going to trace out my gingerbread man as best as possible. Something like that. So just ignore that line that's going through there, because clearly I suck at tracing. It's harder than it looks on your cheek. But now that you have your little gingerbread man, I am gonna go in with, well, first off, I'm gonna take toilet paper and I'm gonna unravel it because I'm gonna need a little bit of it. And I'm just going to tear some strips off, and then I'm going to, because this is 2-ply toilet paper, I'm gonna make it 1-ply. So just going to basically tear it into 2 strips. And then what I do with those is I take little strips of it, and then I just kind of make them into worms like that, so that I can make the shape around my gingerbread man. So I like to use a spatula when I work with liquid latex. I got this spatula off of Amazon for like $2. You can also use brushes, but liquid latex ruins brushes, so I prefer using a spatula that I can just peel it off because it is rubber itself, whereas brushes are obviously synthetic hair or real hair, and if you get liquid latex on a brush, your brush is completely ruined. You're just gonna have to keep using that one for liquid latex or throw it out. So I like using a rubber spatula. It just works the best. Oh my god, I just got liquid latex all over my sponge. Way to go. Oh well. On a day's work. So now I'm just gonna go over where basically my outline is with liquid latex. I'm just gonna do little small sections at a time. Oh my god, that took forever. So I obviously sped it up for you guys in the video so it didn't take fucking 20 minutes, but it just took me like a solid 20 minutes to get that all over my face, and I'm shaking so bad right now and I don't know why. So I'm going to take a, I don't know, 20-minute break or so, and, well, not 20 minutes, I'm gonna take like a 5-minute break or so and let this dry fully, and then when I come back, I might do another layer all around it, but I may just fill in the center of it with liquid latex and do like a burn on the inside so I don't, there's hair. Okay, so I am back and it is dry and we are good to go. So for the next step that I'm gonna be doing, I'm not gonna build it up anymore. I think that is fine enough for a burn because I like how it looks and I don't want to ruin that. So I'm gonna go in with some more liquid latex, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put an even layer of it all on the inside. So this is a very similar technique to my yin and yang video that I did for the burn where half my face was burnt off, and the other video of the zipper where my mouth part was all burned off. So if you guys have never seen those videos, I will link them up here for you guys. Also, if you guys can see inside my ear, it's green because I turned myself into the Grinch yesterday and I can't get it out. Both of them are green actually. I need to go in there and exfoliate the inside of my ears. But so far, I'm just dealing with green ears. All right, so now it'll take about, oh my god, I got liquid latex on my sweater. Ugh. That's gross, super gross. Oh my god, hopefully over time I can just peel the latex out of my sweater. Fucking rest in peace, black work sweater. I'm gonna have to get a new one from work. Anyway, so this is still drying. Once it's dry, I'm gonna poke holes in it and make it look like a burn, and it'll be really cool. Oh my god, while I was waiting, I just checked my Facebook and I just had somebody from one of the Facebook groups cold message me MLM crap. No, I'm not interested in your pyramid scheme. No. Anyway, so now that it's pretty much dry, you can see that it's still kind of shiny and reflective, but it is pretty much dry. You can go in with scissors, spatula, any type of blunt object like the end of tweezers would work too, or the tweezer part. Just be very careful of your actual skin and just go in and poke holes in the latex. So once your skin looks really gross and bubbled and you are satisfied with the amount of holes that you have created, you will now go in with water activated paint or alcohol activated paint. I am using the Master Bruise wheel, and so this is alcohol activated paint. You need to use 99% alcohol for it, so don't ever use this wheel or like around your eyes or anything because it really stings. And I'm just gonna go in and fill in the deepest parts of this circle. Now once you're satisfied with the amount of holes and the deeper colors, you can now go in with the bright reds and fill in the rest of your gingerbread man. Alright, so now that you have the inside of your gingerbread man all gross and filled in, you're going to want to go in, I'm going to zoom you guys out. You're going to want to go in with a palette that has reds and blacks in it, so something like this, so that you can create a burned skin-like texture around your face. So I'm going to go in with some reds like this one and this one, so the bright red and the darker red, and then a little bit of the black, and I'm just going to create kind of like an irritated look around my gingerbread man. you have something like that where it's really rough and pretty irritated looking. I went in with dark reds and blacks and browns to make this color. And now what I want to do is I want to go in with some blood. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with scat blood. Don't you know? Don't you know? And once you are satisfied with your amount of blood that you have on your gingerbread man, you're done. So I think I'm only going to do one gingerbread man because this took way longer than I anticipated, and I want to do another video tonight. So I think I'm going to leave off here with my video. He turned out a lot better than the last time I tried to do it because that one was just like a giant blob on my face. This one actually has a shape, so that's really exciting. So my little gingerbread man is right here, and he fits right on top of my face like that. And then when I pull it away, he's there. So this was a little fun, creative concept. I saw a girl do it on Pinterest. She had a giant gingerbread man and it was covering half of her eye and it was all burnt off, and I thought it looked really cool. So I wanted to try it, but I wanted to make my own concept of just doing it on my face and doing it my way. So this is my little gingerbread man with the makeup to match my brown little ginger man thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. We're in the middle of 25 days of SFXmas, so I hope you guys are enjoying it, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye. Say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one.